you get off her? Get off her now. Let her go.
Job and best.
Let her go.
Job and best.
Let her go. Let her go.
Job and
Let.
Job
You're still
and
not
best.
gonna let her go. You're still not gonna let her go.
Job.
Let her go. Let her go.
Job.
Get off her. Go. Get off of her. Let her go, man. Before I hit you hard. Kelly, get off her. Get off of her now.
What are you doing?
Get off of her. Get off of her. I'll hit skin, Kelly. I'll hit skin.
Mommy!
You gonna
Get off of her. Get off of her. Leave her alone. You're laughing. You're trying to funny. You're lucky her little hand was there. Let her go, man. Go ahead, Lee. Boy, it's gonna hit your skin. It's gonna hit skin, Kelly. It's gonna hurt you, Kelly. Get off, Kelly. Shit, I hit myself that time. Kelly, go. No, get away. Sorry. I don't want to play wrestling around and shit. Go.
Straight truth through the hip.
Kelly, go.
Straight truth through the hip.
Mommy!
Straight truth.
Oh, my fucking dad, he stressed me like fucking face, you asshole.
Mommy!
What is wrong with you?
Mommy!
Fucking so stupid. That's what you like. You like to play fight with you and like to hurt people. Move, just move, move, man.